I worked with Smino back in December, and I had all this footage and I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to put it into like a little YouTube video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I will have a lot more videos of just random times that are all sitting on my camcorder. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and all my other videos that are coming soon. I love you guys. Bye. Level 1. Oh, it's beautiful outside. Somebody going down.
And I was like, okay. It was crazy because he was talking to me just like him. And he showed me and...
Is that nice? Do you usually...
I'm not gonna go fast either.
Okay.
Boy, that fat ass key.
It's okay.
Wait, look at me.
Okay. Am I putting my seatbelt on? Am I a good driver?
I don't know you're a bad driver.
That means you don't be putting your seatbelt on.
Safe and bad is two different things. You want to be a safe bad driver too.
I'm a safe bad driver. That's the problem.
Yo,
I'm a good driver. Like, I'm not terrible.
Yo, drive like a grandma.
And that's what we need.
Yeah, for sure for this. Yeah. Real grandmotherly vibes. Okay,
not too much though.
What's up, guys? Your hair look good.
Hey, girl.
Hi. Thank you so much. Hi, Danita.
I don't know if you gotta watch out because it's kind of.
Oh shit. You trying to get a blunt?
You was fat. Okay. Go ahead.
That's all right.
I feel like you can't give me no tutorial. You already did.
Yeah, it happened. On the next episode though.
Okay.
Okay. Gotta be.
You're gonna be on Guinness World Record.
Talking about
Guinness.
I ain't even heard that. So you want a Genius World Record? You broke a Genius World Record. Alright, we finna fake hop out the car and shit.
Okay, let me get off the brake.
Is there somebody finna drive that bus?
Yeah, we are getting on a regular city bus.
Okay.
Yeah, my friend.
This is the.
It was about like a
We competing.
Battle of the lenses, body.
Get on.
Hot pepper. Everything green like Dr. Seuss.
Sheesh.
ready for you to walk up to the door.
Swerve.
More like
Bridget, say hi.
you say hi,
Hi. Danita, say hi.
throw my L's up. No.
Why does camera work better close up than far back? You peep that with yours?
Close up.
Like, come look here. It say, you see how I say black love ain't dead, but look how I zoom in. That shit is clear as hell.
Yeah. Oh.
You just made that up.
I've never heard of it though.
Some bright.
So if you just turn and look straight at Bobby and say some of the stuff you were saying, then we can get good footage of you. You know?
Okay.
Easy. And we're driving.
Are we? Oh, we're not. It's a Nick drive.
Right there's drive. Yeah, it's weird. Sometimes you could, yeah.
I know.
It's like a phantom drive. You could get like a neutral or drive or whatever.
Okay, let me continuity. I just want to be safe. And we won't go as far?
Nah.
Well, I
Say
feel
that
like
last part again. Sorry.
you think Jesus was mixed.
Pull your hair back a little bit more on it. Yeah.
Do you think Jesus was mixed? Yeah, man. I'm just gonna circle around over there. Can you go down that street?
Yeah, you can go down that street.
Okay. Do you think Jesus was mixed? Oh.
Jesus?
Well, nope. Jesus?
Oh, do you want me to talk back?
No, you don't have to. I don't like how everybody around here drives right next to you.
Just look at that foot running.
Look at Bobby real quick.
Man, me and my sister, we used to be in. Yeah.
Baby, I'm just out here doing what I do. And we're eating. So, bitch, why are you tripping? Yeah.
Hey, open. You don't have to, but I was already coming this way.
Cue the FaceTime recording on the screen.
Yeah.
What's your recording? All we gotta do is screen record a FaceTime call.
Yeah.
I gotta actually FaceTime you and screen record this.
We finna do that right now.
Huh?
We finna do it right now.
Nah. it's
Okay.
not gonna do
Okay.
I want you to be like in your room or somewhere. I'm gonna call you later. Make it real simple. It's gonna be easy.
I'll record your audio at home if we both there. I probably won't be there.
Let's see if you make some motherfucking noise.
I hate that.
Come on.
Try not to play that last shirt.
That's my sister. She got the moves today. Hey, hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
You got your ticket. Shit get weak. Just pay me, man. If you ain't got that, just pay me mine. I'm love. Just trying to lose that shit, love more. I tell you what, just on the house this time, right? So we in that.
Right.
Okay.
I think it was vice versa, but.
Okay.
Mason! Look, I can't even.
Like Mason.
So you don't hold the camera. You said take too long.
I'm too tall.
Shit. I hope this bitch recording too.
It's recording?
Is it recording?
Huh?
Is it recording?
I can't hear you.
Is it recording?
It does say REC? Then it's recording.
I don't know what What's up? Don't too much. Here.
You're having a good show. Good job. Good show. How much you take?
What's up? You don't need none of that.
Said nobody move. There's hey.
Why you do that? Watch
Oh no.